Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So, yesterday in the premium Telegram group as well as in the free group, we had posted some stocks and we have also explained you how to trade using that stock. Okay. So, let me show you how we selected those stocks and what was the performance of the stock. So in the morning, October 6, we had told you that we will be sharing some stocks, right? And the first stock was Kalyan Jewelry. Then our screen has shown only two, Concord Biotech and Kalyan Jewelers. Then later it has screened few more stocks, and these were the stocks we have selected. And the stocks, this one, Yadharth, this also we give very good profit from our breakout point to all the targets hit. And next, see here, these are the stocks we got listed. In that one we had selected is, so we have selected minimum 500 to 500 above priced values. So that is why we will be getting some profit. So we selected Quick Hill, this global surface and all we had selected. And yesterday Nifty sell activated, targets hit. Bank Nifty sell activated, all the targets hit. And this Quick Hill, perfectly it has taken support from our buy zone, because yesterday we had told you we have to take only buy entry, no sell entry. So buy activated, all the targets hit. And this global surface also I have shown you in the screener. Since we are not supposed to sell yesterday, only buy got activated, so all the targets hit. And gold feature, all the targets hit. And what about the crude oil? Crude oil chart I have taken here. See here, first buy activated up to sell. Buy zone to sell zone, all the targets hit. From sell zone to buy targets, all the targets hit. Again it has taken the support from here. Bull, bearish R3C, all the targets hit. Once again it has taken support and all the targets hit. From it is trading only between our buy zone and sell zone. So hope the point is very clear. And what about the other scripts like Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty, previous day also we got perfect sell entry, all the targets hit. Yesterday also we got perfect entry and all the targets hit. So one important tips I had told you, if the previous candles before touching our zone is having big body, what you can do, go to the indicator settings and simply click this Fibonacci calculation. So this is our Kabaddi method. So what it will do, we will get the entry a little later. And here we are getting variety of confirmation that market is going to fall. And if sell activated, you have to remove your sell targets. If you sell activated, you have to remove your buy and enable the sell targets. Also enable the second buy targets. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. So now you have to reduce your stop loss to tiny 2 stop loss and target to tiny 2 targets. So now you can see what was the response from the market. So since sell activated, all the targets hit. From here to here, all the targets have been hit. Once again sell activated, 2 targets perfectly hit. Okay. If you want me to replay the market, I can replay. Otherwise, simply you can see. I will just replay and show you. One minute. The indicator is not loaded. Once again add it from the indicator invite only mode. Then I will enable the target and stop loss. Sell activated. So I am removing the buy entry, enabling the sell targets, enabling the second buy targets also, because if SL hit, I have to go for the reversal entry. So these are the settings I am doing initially. Okay. So now sell activated. I am waiting for the targets. So we have overloaded the trading view server, so that is why while doing bar play it is happening like that, but after that the problem will not come. So I will just close it. So now you can see what is the result. Sell activated, all the targets perfectly hit. So pin to point entry we have got yesterday, and day before after same thing, all the targets hit. Buy side also we got the entry, sell side also we got the entry. And what about the Nifty and crude oil also? We got all the targets hit yesterday, both side we got the profit. Come here and give the reset entry. For crude oil you can keep minimum 25 to 30 point stop loss, because it will be having more volatility in the evening market. So let us see what happened in the evening market also. Go to the settings and change to evening. What happens in the evening? See evening, buy activated, targets hit, sell activated, targets hit, again buy activated, targets hit, again sell activated, targets hit. See what is the low? 6812, here 6813. So I told you 68332, 6812, how many points? Some 20 points only there, right? So keep minimum 25 to 27 points, so that your stop loss will not hit. But here itself our target hit, buy activated, target hit here. Okay, this is the extra entry. So I have also told you, if the previous candle is having a bearish body candle, go to the settings and enable this Heikin-Ashi calculation. So your entry will be little delayed. So from here perfect entry we have got, all the targets hit here, and once again it has taken support from our same place, target hit, again it has taken support, targets hit, again it has taken resistance from here and targets hit, and previous day also see here, buy activated, target hit, buy activated, target hit. So the accuracy is very high. The accuracy of our indicator is very high. And let me show you what happened in the Nifty. So for Nifty we cannot keep evening market, we have to keep default market, right? Evening market is only for the MCX. See here, sell activated, targets hit. So we have to reduce the stop loss. That's all. If you have reduced stop loss, then 2 targets would have hit. That's all. So hope this is clear. Take any script and trade as per your convenience, so that you will get very decent profit. What is this? Global survey. Many stock you can trade. We will be sharing every day the screened stocks. You can make profit accordingly. If you are watching our video without subscribing to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch it, so that you will get more profit, and we also will be benefited from the YouTube, and we both shall grow together. Hope I have made the points very clearly. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. We will be very happy to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. All the best.